Repairing damaged skin through diet involves consuming foods rich in nutrients that support skin health and regeneration. Achieving healthy, rejuvenated skin often starts from within, with a diet rich in nutrient-dense foods that support repair and renewal. Here's a guide to 9 foods known for their ability to nourish and heal damaged skin. From fatty fish packed with omega-3s to antioxidant-rich dark chocolate and hydrating avocados, these foods offer a natural approach to enhancing skin health, promoting elasticity, and protecting against environmental stressors. Incorporating these nutritious options into your daily diet can help foster a radiant complexion and support long-term skin vitality. Here are some foods that can help. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent for repairing damaged skin due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These essential fats help maintain the skin's lipid barrier, improving moisture retention and reducing dryness and irritation. Omega-3s also have potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can calm inflammation associated with conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis, aiding in the healing process. Furthermore, they support overall skin health by promoting collagen production and protecting against oxidative damage, contributing to smoother, more resilient skin. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet regularly can thus significantly benefit damaged skin by enhancing its barrier function and reducing inflammatory responses. Number 2. Avocados. Avocado is beneficial for damaged skin due to its rich content of healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. The high levels of monounsaturated fats in avocado help to moisturize and nourish the skin, reducing dryness and improving elasticity. Avocado is also a good source of vitamin E, which is a potent antioxidant that protects the skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, it contains vitamin C, which supports collagen production and helps to maintain firmness and structure in the skin. Incorporating avocado into your diet or using it topically as a mask can promote skin repair, hydration, and overall health, making it a valuable addition to skincare routines for damaged skin. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are beneficial for damaged skin due to their rich nutrient profile, particularly their high content of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. They are excellent sources of vitamin E, which is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin from oxidative stress and UV damage, promoting overall skin health and repair. Additionally, nuts and seeds contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which support the skin's lipid barrier function, improving moisture retention and reducing inflammation. The zinc found in nuts and seeds also plays a crucial role in skin repair and renewal, aiding in wound healing and maintaining healthy skin cells. Including a variety of nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and seeds like sunflower and flax seeds in your diet can help nourish and rejuvenate damaged skin from within. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are beneficial for damaged skin primarily due to their high beta-carotene content, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for skin health as it promotes cell turnover, helping to repair and rejuvenate damaged skin cells. This vitamin also supports the skin's natural barrier function, enhancing moisture retention and reducing dryness and irritation. Sweet potatoes are also rich in vitamin C and E, both of which are antioxidants that protect the skin from free radical damage and support collagen production, contributing to a smoother and more resilient complexion. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can thus help improve overall skin texture and promote healing of damaged skin. Number 5. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, especially red and yellow ones, are beneficial for damaged skin primarily due to their high content of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining skin structure and elasticity. Collagen helps to repair damaged skin tissues and promotes wound healing, making it crucial for restoring skin health. Additionally, vitamin C helps protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by environmental factors like UV radiation and pollution, thereby reducing signs of aging and improving overall skin texture. Including bell peppers in your diet can help support skin repair and rejuvenation, providing essential nutrients for healthier and more resilient skin. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is beneficial for damaged skin primarily due to its rich nutrient content, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants like sulforaphane and quercetin. Vitamin A supports skin cell turnover and repair, aiding in the healing of damaged skin. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, helping to maintain skin elasticity and firmness while also protecting against oxidative damage. The presence of vitamin K in broccoli contributes to skin health by assisting in blood clotting and reducing the appearance of dark circles under the eyes. Furthermore, the antioxidants found in broccoli, such as sulforaphane and quercetin, help combat inflammation and protect the skin from environmental stressors, promoting overall skin resilience and health. Including broccoli in your diet can contribute to improved skin texture, hydration, and repair of damaged skin. Number 7. Dark chocolate. Contains flavonols, which can improve skin hydration and protect against sun damage, in moderation. Dark chocolate, especially varieties with high cocoa content, 70% or higher, can benefit damaged skin due to its rich antioxidant properties. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, such as epicatechin, catechin, and procyanidins, which have been shown to improve skin texture, hydration, and protect against UV-induced damage. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that contribute to skin aging and damage, thereby promoting a more youthful appearance. Additionally, consuming moderate amounts of dark chocolate can enhance blood flow to the skin, improving circulation and nutrient delivery to skin cells, which aids in repair and rejuvenation. However, it's important to consume dark chocolate in moderation and opt for varieties with minimal added sugars and fats to maximize its skin-boosting benefits without compromising overall health. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is beneficial for damaged skin primarily due to its high content of antioxidants, particularly catechins such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. These antioxidants help protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can accelerate aging and contribute to skin damage. EGCG also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce redness, irritation, and swelling associated with various skin conditions like acne and eczema. Green tea polyphenol have been shown to improve skin elasticity, hydration, and overall texture by promoting collagen synthesis and inhibiting collagen degradation. Regular consumption of green tea or application of green tea extracts topically can help support skin repair, rejuvenation, and maintain a healthy, radiant complexion. Number 9. Water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall skin health. Drinking enough water helps keep your skin cells hydrated and functioning optimally. Water is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and aiding in its repair. Proper hydration ensures that skin cells are adequately moisturized, which is essential for maintaining elasticity and preventing dryness and flakiness. When the body is dehydrated, the skin can appear more dull, dry, and prone to irritation. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins from the body, which can contribute to clearer and healthier skin. Additionally, water helps deliver essential nutrients to the skin cells and supports the skin's natural processes of repair and regeneration. While water alone may not directly repair damaged skin, adequate hydration plays a fundamental role in overall skin health and can complement other skincare practices to promote optimal skin function and appearance. Incorporating these foods into your diet regularly can help support the repair of damaged skin and promote overall skin health. Additionally, avoiding excessive sugar and processed foods can also benefit skin health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Keep chasing your dreams and making every moment count.